Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. And as you can see, I've got two new members of my family behind me. And there was a present from Margot Tones. She's from Australia. They come from Heron's Bonsai. And she also got me this hat from Heron's Bonsai. I love the place there. I want to go and visit. There's a gardener there called Peter. I think he's the owner. But I want to go and visit, have a one-to-one with him, pick his brains, so he can tell me a bit more about bonsais. He's won countless golden medals at Chelsea Flower Show, and he's written loads of books about bonsais. So he's a very knowledgeable man, and I think I need to go and see him. It was packaged well. They had a cardboard base plate on both of them, put onto another base plate, placed into the cardboard box with zip ties around it, so it didn't move anywhere. She ordered it before Christmas, but it didn't go because the last delivery dispatch from there was on the 19th. So he sent them out on the 5th and they come to me today. So I thought I'd make a quick video about them. Well, there you go, that's my Christmas card from Tones. She got me two. There we go. She's a good friend, mate, honestly. She's a good friend. Welcome to the new members. Here we go. And this is a ficus. You can see what it says there. Evergreen, all indoors. But it will live outside. It's got nice rubbly leaves. But they don't like the cold. You see all the leaves on the new one? On my old ones start to come back. I'm really pleased about that. And I've got this little one. A bird plum. Don't think that's focused in, but look at him. Look at this little pot, man. Oh, cute pot in that one. Beautiful plants. Maybe spinning it too quick. But there we go. The reason they're indoors is because they don't like the cold. But in the summer they will be going outside. This one here drinks a lot. It likes the leaves to be misted. Which you've got a mister here. Loves a bit of that. But the tropical plants, they don't like the English winter. So they're an indoor bonsai for beginners. But any tips, tricks, write them in the comment section. I will read them, or give me some ideas for new videos. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. What else is there? Yeah, subscribe, share, ring that little bell so you get notifications from me. And I think YouTube will put a video here. So see you next time. Right, bye.